Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be comparing 6 Dollar Tree cleaning products to 6 name brand cleaning products and seeing how they do side by side. This video was inspired by a channel called Household Hacker, and I will link their original video down below, so don't forget to check them out. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. So here are 5 out of the 6 comparisons we will be doing, and make sure you stick around to the end to see the 6th one. And we will just be using this Prego meat sauce and putting this on all the products and surfaces to see how well each of them clean. We're going to start off with dish detergent pods. I have the Finish Quantum 12 count and I have the Ultra Shine 10 count. The Ultra Shine you can get for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and you'll get 10 dish detergent packs. So first we're going to try those Ultra Shine from the Dollar Tree. So I just put some Prego meat sauce in some bowls and plates and rubbed it in and let it sit for about 5 minutes. And then I stuck it in the dishwasher with some other dishes and let it run a normal cycle. And then I will show you guys how it compared to the Finish Quantum detergent packs. So now I'm going to pull the dishes out after they finish their cycle, and you guys will see there's an orange ring on this bowl, and that was actually already there, but it actually took some of it off, which I was super surprised about, and the rest of the dishes look actually pretty clean, so I was pretty happy with the result. Now we're going to test out these Finish Powerball Quantums. This is a 12 pack that you can get for $3.77 at like your local Walmart or Target. And I just did the same process, put some meat sauce on the same bowls and plates, and then let that sit for 5 minutes and stuck them in the dishwasher and put that dish detergent pack in, and I will show you guys the results when it's all done. If you guys are enjoying this video so far and are excited to see more comparisons, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload a cleaning, organizing, or decluttering related video. As expected, these Finish Quantum Powerballs did a pretty decent job, and if I have to compare the two, I would say they are pretty equal and that I would tie them, but you will definitely get a better value for the Dollar Tree brand. Next up is all-purpose cleaners. I used the 7th generation disinfectant cleaner, and that is $3.79 for a 26 ounce. And then the Spick and Span you can get for $1, which is 22 ounces at the Dollar Tree. So I went in with my pasta sauce again and smeared it on my granite countertops and let that sit for a good 30 minutes before I came back and tested out the cleaners. So I gave each side 2 sprays and wiped it down with 1 paper towel folded over, and as you guys will see, it did a pretty equal job at cleaning up the product. So it did leave some pasta sauce marks, so I went over it again with another spray, and it did pretty much the same thing, picked up the same amount of stuff. So even though I really didn't like the smell of either of them, I think they smelled kind of funky, they did a pretty equal job at cleaning up. So you definitely can get more value for the Dollar Tree brand 22 ounce than for the 7th generation disinfectant, and they will both disinfect and clean. Moving on to oven cleaners, this one I was excited about because I've heard mixed reviews on both of these products. So the Dollar Tree one is a 13 ounce bottle, and the Great Value one from Walmart is a 16 ounce bottle. And what I did is I put a piece of tape down in the middle and did like half and half on each side after I took out the oven racks, because I didn't really compare those in this video. Also, not only was I doing a comparison video, but my oven really did need to be cleaned, so this was the perfect opportunity. So this is just a quick before of what it looked like, and we don't really use it that much, but it should be clean and needs to be clean. So like I said, I put a tape down in the middle, and then the oven cleaner from Dollar Tree is much more satisfying to put on because it has like a foam, but it is not fume free. So I didn't put it in the video, but I was like coughing up like I was dying. So definitely put on like some gloves and a mask. And then the Great Value one is fume free, but it does come out clear, which isn't as satisfying, but it's much safer for you to breathe in. So I let that sit for just about an hour, and then I came back, and as you can see in just a second, the Dollar Tree one looks much more satisfying. Like I said, it looked like it's picking up a lot of grease and gunk. So I wiped down both sides, and I will show you guys the after. I did have to use 2 microfiber towels for the Dollar Tree brand side just because of all the foam. I couldn't pick it up with one, but that's really not a big deal. And I also didn't clean the glass because I just didn't think about it for the sake of the video. But here is the after. I think they both did a really good job. I actually like how the Dollar Tree brand side did a little bit better, but overall I think they did a really great job, and it will be much safer to use the Great Value brand. So I would give these an equal rating. Next up is glass cleaners. I have the spray away for $2.28 19-ounce bottle, and then the glass and surface cleaner for $1, which is a 13-ounce bottle. They both are ammonia free, which is really nice. So I sprayed on the left side, this is Dollar Tree one, and then the spray away on the right side, and I wiped them both off. And this mirror was pretty dirty, but it was kind of hard to tell on video. But I think they both did a pretty great job, but you definitely do get a better value for the Dollar Tree brand. As you can see, I kind of had a hard time telling. But one thing I did want to mention is the surface and glass cleaner from the Dollar Tree can not only be used for glass, but obviously it's a surface cleaner. So I like to use it to clean my stainless steel appliances. I have these cheap ones that come with my apartment, and they are super hard to clean. I've tried Wyman, I've tried every stainless steel cleaner, and I couldn't get anything to work. So I sprayed this on them, and this did an amazing job. Also, I love how it foams up. It just makes everything more satisfying. But as you guys can see in the before and after, it does a great job. And I use it on all of my stainless steel appliances as well as glass and mirrors. So I love how this is kind of like a multi-surface cleaner, and it's only $1. So I highly recommend this one. Now moving on to wet mopping cloths. This is probably going to be your biggest price difference. It's $4.47 for a 12 count of the Swiffer, and only $1 for a 10 count of these Buddy cleaners. So I put my sauce on, and I let that sit for about 30 minutes. And then I went in with the Swiffer wet cloth first. And the one thing I will say about the Swiffer wet cloth is it does get much more moist. So if you do have a larger surface area to clean, then I highly recommend these more. But if you are just spot cleaning like this, then the Swiffer sweeper as well as the Buddies wet mop cloths did a pretty equal job. The Buddies doesn't get as moist, but like I said, if you're only spot cleaning, then they will do a pretty similar job. So as you can see, they picked up the same amount of stuff, but like I said, if you're doing a larger area, like if you're mopping your whole floor, I would definitely use the Swiffer because it is more moist. Now moving on to number 6, which is our surprise, which is magic erasers. So you can get a 3 count of these quick erasers for $1 at the Dollar Tree, or you can get a 4 count for these magic erasers for $4.94. So obviously the Dollar Tree brand is much better. So this is the Dollar Tree scrubber. I had a scuff on my wall, and as you can see, it took it right off. And then this is the Magic Eraser one, and it also took it right off. But since they both do the same thing, you might as well save your money and get the Dollar Tree one. I will say though that the Dollar Tree one isn't as durable, but it is large, so you can just cut it in half and use the other half. So overall, I think you can get a lot of bang for your buck at the Dollar Tree. So if you guys were thinking about buying some of their products, I would definitely try them out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out these other videos for some more cleaning motivation, and subscribe for more cleaning, organizing, and decluttering content. I will see you guys on Thursday for another video. Bye.